Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering 3 essentials: your salary, scheduled hours, and which hours fall between 22:00 and 06:00. If you have a monthly salary, convert it to an hourly rate by dividing monthly pay by 208, Philippine Standard, or by actual monthly work hours you use. Once done, mark each shift's night hours and flag overtime, rest day, or holiday work. These change how premiums stack. Make sure to use net base pay before other premiums to compute the night differential correctly. Now calculate the hourly rate and then the night shift differential. You compute hourly equals monthly divided by 208, or your actual hours. Next, multiply the hourly rate by 0.10 to get the NSD per hour, then multiply that by total night hours you recorded. If hours are overtime, first compute the overtime hourly rate, e.g., 125% of hourly, and then add 10% of that OT rate as NSD. Keep clear records of each hour's classification for accurate summation. Finish by summing all NSD amounts and adding them to gross pay. That yields the extra pay due for night work. Remember that night differential stacks on other premiums. Apply NSD on top of overtime rates or rest day/holiday premiums as applicable. If totals don't match payroll output, recheck 2 common errors. You used the wrong hourly divisor, use 208 unless employer-specific, or misclassified hours inside 22:0006:00.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.